Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Linux on a machine, and the only things you're going to need is a jump drive to put the Linux ISO on and a computer that it's going on. We will be downloading two separate files from the internet, but both of those are free, so let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, you'll need a USB drive that is at least 8 gigs in size. Make sure that there is nothing on the drive because we're going to be wiping it in just a couple minutes. We also need to grab two things off the internet. Go ahead and go to Ubuntu's website and download the latest version of their Linux distribution, which is Ubuntu. I don't really know how to say that. It's either Ubuntu or Ubuntu. It's Linux. Next, we're going to get Rufus. Rufus is a tool that will allow you to take a bootable file and put it onto a USB stick. Insert the USB drive and open Rufus. Select your USB drive from the destination and then browse for your Ubuntu iOS that you downloaded. When you have both the destination and the iOS selected, click Start, select the default settings that pop up, and you'll see a warning telling you that the USB is about to be wiped. Click OK. This process can take anywhere from a couple minutes to half an hour. Make sure that the computer that's receiving the AI has all other drives removed from it. The only drives that need to be in the machine and plugged up are the installation disk, which is your jump drive, and the drive that your OS is going on. This is very important because Ubuntu will wipe all drives connected to the computer during the installation process. Plug in your USB drive into your computer and spam the boot menu key for the BIOS screen. The boot menu key will be different depending on your computer, but for me it is F12. From the list, select the one that says USB or says the name of the brand of the USB that you're using. Select the option to try or install Ubuntu. Once Ubuntu environment has loaded, you might see an update prompt. Let it update first, then open up the installer icon from the desktop and start the process again. Continue through the standard installation process and set up your computer. After the installation is complete, it'll ask you to remove the USB and then press enter. When your computer boots up again, you should now see the Ubuntu operating system. And that is how you get Linux running on a computer. So why would you want Linux? Well, I use it because I run AI, and Linux is the best operating system to run AI on. And if you'd like to build an AI with me, watch that video there where I step you through the entire process.